I'm going to do a quick video on these Jeeps. They have small evap leaks, and I am finding them in the gas tank. This is the second Jeep that I have encountered like this. This is the first one. I have my smoker. I throw it inside the gas tank. It's usually right on top of the fuel tank where the issue is at. Right at that pipe. You can see that is my first fix with a barb tee, and I used some JB weld. Not bad for the first one. This is the second one I'm doing. A lot more cleaner. Still using some JB weld to make that nice good seal. Get the camera up there. And let's see if we can see in. You can see it is hollowed through, but you can see my little pin there in the middle. That's the secret to all of the magic now. Instead of using that barb tee, I'm using one of these pins. Alright, I bought this universal roll pins from AutoZone, and here they are. And what I am doing is I am compressing them to close in that gap there with the vice grip. Do it real quick. That's a demonstration because I already did it. Alright, and then what I did is I grabbed the hammer and I just try to round it off. I'll put it right where the crease is at and hit it right on top of it, so I could try to make it as round as possible. Alright, I know this is not that piece right there, but we're gonna pretend this is that little plastic piece that broke off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our broken plastic piece and our little pin, and we're gonna try to work it in. Might be a snug little tight, so I'm using a small little hammer to kind of hit it in, boom boom boom, till you get it right about there, about halfway. I'm using some JB weld steel, the hardener. Made my mix here, and then what I did was I put the mix all the way around, everything, everywhere, all the way around. Nice good chunk of it. Grabbed our piece, grabbed our hammer, we snugged it into there to the other fitting where it's broken. Use the hammer to beat it into place, and there you have the finished product. There it is. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit more. It's kind of a tough spot. Let's see. All right, and there it is. Nice good seal all the way around. Now we'll let that sucker dry up, and we'll put the connector. Here's the connector. We'll put that sucker back into place, and we should be good. Like I said, it's kind of a tough spot to get to it because it is way down here, and you have all of this contraption in your way. But should be able to get it done. Just wanted to make a quick video of how to fix that because I'm noticing these Jeeps are notorious for those small leaks right there. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.